In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Discord on Whop. If you want your Whop account linked to Discord, so everything works smoothly across both platforms, this is a quick process and very easy to do once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. To get started, open Whop and go to the home page. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Whop account before continuing, since this is the account that will be connected to Discord. If you manage more than one account or you've recently switched profiles, it's a good idea to double check that now to avoid any confusion later. Once you're on the Whop homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile. This will open the account menu where you can access your personal settings and other account options. If you don't immediately see the option you need, don't worry, the next step will take you there. After opening your profile menu, click the settings icon. This is where Whop keeps the main account controls, including profile preferences and connection options for other platforms. Taking a moment to get familiar with this area can be helpful, especially if you plan to update account details or connect other services in the future. Inside Settings, find and click on Connected Accounts. This section is specifically for linking external platforms to your Whop account. It helps Whop recognize and communicate with services like Discord, which is important for access, permissions, and community-related features that may depend on your connected account. Once you're in the connected account section, look for the Discord option and click Add on Discord. This starts the connection process between Whop and your Discord account. At this point, Discord may prompt you to sign in if you aren't already logged in. It may also ask you to authorize the connection. If that happens, just review the permissions carefully and continue so the link can be completed. And that's it. Once the connection goes through, your Discord account will be linked to Whop. If it doesn't appear to update right away, give it a few moments and refresh the page. In some cases, signing out and back in can also help confirm the connection. That's the full process for connecting your Discord on Whop. Follow these steps carefully and you should be up and running in just a minute or two.